Hey everyone, today we're gonna be fixing the issue which is about Windows touchpad not working in Windows 10 or 11. So the first option that we should do is click on Device Manager. And after clicking on Device Manager, let me just maximize this one. After clicking on that, just click on Mice and Other Pointing Device, right this one. So you see two options right here. What you're gonna do is right click it and click on Update Driver, and just click on Search for the best drivers and close it. Now do the other one, Update Driver, and just search for Automatic. Now it says the best drivers for your device are already installed, so that should be good. Now we're gonna go ahead and select this option, Human Interface Devices, and from here we can see this touchpad option right here. So what we're gonna do is, after finishing the two below, we're gonna also update this one. Right click on this option right here and just click on Update Driver, and choose the best driver as well. So if that does not work for you, just click on Browse My Computer for drivers, and let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and click on this one by one. So just click on Next, and if that works for you, it's good, but if it does not, just right click this and click on Uninstall Device. So after you click Uninstall, just click on Action and scan for device changes, and it's gonna go back again. So again, let me repeat, you can uninstall this one and click on Action from the top option above, and scan for hardware changes, and now it's gonna return the touchpad is gonna be back. So that's how easy it is, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe if this worked for you. See you all on the next.